Hi everyone and welcome to our Name a Whale Shark 2023. Every year our divers decide to travel responsibly to the Galapagos Islands and to support ocean conservation. We as a company donate over 70% of our profits directly to the Galapagos Whale Shark Project and supporting together with our divers the ocean conservation work and the research of sharks in the Galapagos Islands with this project. Furthermore, our divers not only support financially the research, but also learn tools how they directly can contribute to research and ocean conservation during the trip, but also worldwide. As a way of saying thank you, every one of our divers gets the opportunity to add one name into our whale shark bag, from what we will draw one or more names by the end of the season to name our whale sharks. This year, we were able to generate more than $17,000 for the Galapagos Whale Shark Project, what means we will be able to afford 3 satellite tags, including satellite time. So with that, I would now draw 3 names out of our bag from all the submissions. The first name is Makeba. Second name is Luna. And last but not least, the third name is Star. With that, I want to say thank you to every one of our divers that dive with us this year. I want to say thank you for everyone who watched this video and is following us and is supporting with that as well ocean conservation. Thanks to you all.